No matter what you see on news, no matter what you listen to your politician, no matter whatever you are listening and understanding, no one is going to save you. You are the only person who is going to save yourself. Now if you want change, you have to keep change. You have to keep yourself with your own mindset, your own focus, and your own type of the regular consistency. So you have to focus, and if you have to need the change, you have to change by yourself, and no one, trust me, going to come to save you. And one of the my coach is like that, if you want to understand that who is going to come to your change you, that you just saw on a mirror, you find that who is really going to help you. So only you are going to help you, no one else is going to help you. So you just seeing the fake news, politicians, people, and your employer, and no one is going to come to help you, save you. You have to make your own changes, you have to take your own decisions, and that is going to save you. So my recommendation is here that every single day you must read Arvind Upadhyay books, watch my videos, listen the podcast, audio podcast, as well as you have to consistently understand, make your journal, write down your goals and your to-do list and work on them.